All right, so some people asked some questions about, swing or whatever. So basically, I want to just show y'all like what it is I do, and I guess I'm a Dr. Dre kit, psychokit.com to demo it. So, this is my kick snare, my hi hat. So what I like to do is I go up into timing correct, right? I see you can play around here where swing you could do that, or you can just turn quantize off, right? A lot of times what I like to do is I like to play around with, like, I'll take like the strength or the window and I'll put them down at like 50% or 60%. um Either or, I just experiment a lot of times, and I find that does a lot for me. A simple method is like, so we're gonna tap out a drum track, right? All right, and then I'm gonna do a simple hi-hat. So, and then I got this, right? Okay, so now that hi-hat, what I like to do, I like to go here to the velocity field, and I turn that down, right? All right, so what I'll do then is I'll go into grid. I'll go into grid, touch that hi-hat. I'll push the don't snap on. I'll touch that hi-hat again. And what I'll do is I'll shift it. I'm shifting the hi-hat right now. And that's an easy way how to get a nice little feel of swing or whatever. All right. You could do the same thing with like the snare. So we'll go to the or we could do it with the kick too. So like I go here, go into grid. All right. So I laid that up. So it's like, so I think I'm gonna, let's see. I'm gonna like say make the snare late, right? And so what you do is basically you shift things around until it gets a feel. Again, but I also want to go back here and re-emphasize that, guys, you can play around with the swing, and swing is just something that's kind of, you gotta have to figure out what works best for your workflow or your type of feel. And here I see a lot of people that talk about swing and shift timing, but they don't really talk about window and strength. Again, my settings, I like to mess around anywhere between 50 to 70. And that's what I do. I know some other people, they like to put like turn quantize off. I said that already, or put like 1/16 triplet. All right, so that's a tip for me for how to get your swing or get a feel to your production. All right, so go to psychokit.com, support your boy. Look, man, I appreciate all the support. You know what I mean? Go get my kit. The kit I used today was Masada MIDI Progression 6. That comes not only with MIDI progressions, it comes with drums also. All right? All right, peace. Oh, and it also comes with a sine bass. All right, from the S950. Peace.